Hello YouTube, I'm Mandy and this is Mandy's Adventures or Mandy's Makeup Adventures or Modern Makeup Adventures. I don't know what this is yet, but our channel's going through some changes right now, so it's kind of like puberty. Just leave it alone, it'll figure itself out, you know. So on today's video we are going to be opening up some things that have come to me from Jeffree Star. No, I don't mean I'm on his PR list. Boy, wouldn't I just love that. Okay, so these are from the $12 sale, and then there's one thing that was just on sale. And so we're going to go through the, let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 7 items. So, the first thing is the third set. So now I have all 3 sets of Jeffree Star ornaments and the red tree topper. I'm super excited. There are still ornaments on his site. He's still got the soft matte ones and the shiny ones, so I may get a couple more boxes of the soft matte ones because those are kind of like, it's between those and these that are my favorite. I love, love, love these, especially, I love especially the mama and the papa little pairs. How cute is that? It's so cute. You know it's so cute. The rainbow one is my favorite mirror, and so this will probably be my favorite ornament. I absolutely love these. I was actually kind of thinking, and I don't know what you guys think about this, but on the ivy that I'm going to have hanging down, I was kind of thinking of putting some of these ornaments on there. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what we do. So that is item number 1. Super excited. Like I said, now I have all 3 of the sets, and I definitely want to get some more just so that I can fill out. I'd like to fill out an entire 4-foot tree, and I like to have lots of ornaments, so we'll see. I don't know. So excited for all the rest of this because it was so super cheap, and I'm in love with it. So I got the blood money mirror for $12. For $12. It's huge. It has like the greatest, biggest surface area. Take a look at yourself. Take a look at yourself. Tell me what you see. So I absolutely love this. It has a lot of surface area. Now I can't wait to get the shiny one too to complete that little set. I love Jeffree Star's stuff. Please, Jeffree Star, if you're watching this, please don't just like fall in love with a yak and never make mirrors again. And even if you quit your makeup company, you still need to make these gorgeous freaking mirrors because they're amazeballs. They're so nice. I love these soft matte ones, but I don't like to use them as much because they get rather dirty rather quickly. I'm just in love with the whole mirror situation. So super excited about that. And then I added another mirror. If I had had the money at a certain time of day when he dropped some of the stuff that he dropped, I would have bought a lot more. But I was, you know, it was Christmas, I'm poor. Next year, I need to actually have money set aside. And I tell myself this every year. Last year, I'd only saved up like $100 and something for Christmas before Christmas. I'm such a doof. So the other mirror I got is from the Pricked palette collection. I have the other 2 crown mirrors. I have this one and I have this one. So now I have all three. Only problem is my daughter dropped and broke this mirror. She broke two other ones as well. But the other ones, I popped the whole mirror out. And I'm going to do something artsy with them. I don't know what yet, but we'll see. This one, I feel like I could maybe put some rhinestones in the top or something. I'll figure something out to where I don't have to feel like I'm losing that mirror. So I'm super excited about this one as well. It's gorgeous. It's like that pearly iridescent, but this is a peach pearl. And that's, you know, the white pearl. Absolutely love. It reminds me of like Princess Peach. Like we're going to go storm the Mario Castle and get Princess Peach. Doesn't it? Doesn't it? It does. You know it does. Oh, crap. I'm always knocking things down. Always. That's not going to work. This one probably will work. There's a place to put that. Okay. Okay, and now we're going on to the makeup portion of the video. By the way, if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. We are a fun bunch over here, and I am trying like hell to get enough subscribers to get monetized because I'm not monetized yet. And it's kind of embarrassing. So hit that subscribe button because you don't want me to feel humiliated, okay? Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so there toward the last couple of days, he put on a bunch of his liners for $6 each, and I definitely could not resist the $6 price point. So I got a backup of Mannequin because mine is like sharpened down to like nothing. I've already used it, of course. I got, what's this one? Skin Tight, which is like a pinky peach. I've actually already sharpened this one because I wore it several days in a row and it's super pretty. Yeah, this box came like 3 days ago. Is what it is. And it is what it is. And then Red Rum, which I've always wanted. And I'm super excited to have this one. Haven't used that one yet at all. It's super pretty, pristine condition. So excited to have all of those in my collection because I use his liners more than anybody else's. So the last thing that I got is one of the things that I didn't think I was going to be as excited about as I am, and it's the Orgy, the big old Orgy for $12. The $62 palette for $12. And now the only thing that I'm missing I'm missing a couple of the small mini palettes, like the mini breaker and the mini blood sugar, and that's it, I think, on his current catalog. And then I'm also missing the Beauty Killer palette, but he took that off of his website. It's still on Beautylish, so I've got to get that. I've got to get that before it goes away. I don't want it to go away before I get it. So this is actually a lot more beautiful than I thought it was going to be. And the shades are creamy and blendable, and you can bend it back like the Jawbreaker and the cremated palette, which I absolutely love. I have been thrilled with this so far. I've done a couple of looks I've done some all matte looks, which I'm super not used to. Like I'll do an all matte look with white cut crease and like a little highlighter in the corner. I didn't even know that I would like that kind of makeup, but I do, and I've been super enjoying this. This is also the perfect companion for your duochrome shades, special shades, glitter shades. You need a nice neutral palette that has both cools and warms so that you can set off the duochrome or the glitter or whatever, because you want the rest of the makeup to be kind of muted, and then you want that duochrome to be the star of the show. And so, yeah, I absolutely love it. It's super awesome. I don't know why I didn't think that I would like it, but I definitely do. I already got like a little stain mark on it, of course, because I can't be trusted with things. So there'll be a tutorial coming up with that. And we'll do a lot with what we have with the palettes that I have right now, just in Jeffree Star's collection. I could do a lot of things. And I want to also talk about, I want to make some videos talking about what I think Jeffree Star should release this year. So like a, not really a predictions video, but like a, what was I saying? Oh yeah, things that I think he should do, things that I think he should release. Almost like a predictions video, but like I won't be surprised if I'm wrong. Thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing video, and let me know down below if you guys would like to see a predictions video on what Jeffree Star products are going to come out this year. Super excited about it, and I thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. It really does help out my channel. And I appreciate you guys. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.